Hello, welcome to a quick tool review. This is the StudBuddy stud finder, and honestly, it's pretty cool. It works by running on magnets. As you can see here, there are no electronics, no gizmos, and it still can help you find studs in your wall. Now, how might that work? Let's use it as an example right here. This will not work as a preface on your home if you have a plaster wall. This is drywall behind me, and what we're going to do is we're going to take our StudBuddy, and what it does is it uses the magnets to find drywall nails. So I just felt something right there. Hey, check that out. See how it's hanging there now? There is definitely a stud right there. Let's test it out. I've got a hammer and a nail. Well, I'd say that there's a stud there. How cool is that? Now, as stated before, any item is always linked down below in the description, and if you buy it from there, that really helps the channel out. It costs you nothing extra, but hey, it gives me a little commission, a little kickback to keep doing videos for you guys. Honestly, this StudBuddy, I'd purchase it. Like, why would you not? This is gonna stay in my bag actually, just in case, because you know, when you use a normal stud finder, the batteries are always dead. It's just life. This little guy requires no batteries.